In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Auto Upload Project on Capcut. If you've noticed your drafts automatically appearing across devices, that's Capcut's project syncing at work. It's handy for multi-device editing, but it can use bandwidth, take up cloud storage, and upload content you'd rather keep local. Today, I'll show you how to turn that off so your projects stay on your device only. Start by opening Capcut and landing on your main workspace or home screen. Make sure you're signed in if your version requires it, but you don't need to open any specific project for this. We're heading into the app's settings. Look for the gear icon, usually in the top corner of the screen. That's your settings. Click or tap it to open the full menu. If you don't see the gear right away, switch to the Home or Workspace tab and it should appear. The Settings section is where Capcut controls how your drafts and media are handled behind the scenes. Inside Settings, find the Draft section, and then open Synced Items. This area manages what Capcut automatically uploads to the cloud so you can access it elsewhere. You'll typically see categories like Projects and sometimes other asset types. We're focused on Projects, which include your timelines, edits, and draft structure. To stop auto-upload, uncheck Projects. Turning this off tells Capcut not to automatically sync your project drafts to the cloud. From this point forward, new projects and changes you make will save locally on your device only. If you see a confirmation prompt, agree to proceed. This doesn't delete anything on your device. It simply stops new automatic uploads. A few things to keep in mind. When Project Sync is off, you won't be able to pick up the same draft seamlessly on another device unless you manually transfer or export. That's normal and expected. Your existing cloud copies, if any, typically remain in the cloud until you remove them separately, but new edits won't be uploaded. This change can reduce data usage and help you keep sensitive or work-in-progress content private. It may also save cloud storage space, though you'll want to monitor local storage since everything now stays on your device. If you ever want to re-enable syncing, come back to the same place in Settings, open Draft and Synced Items, and check Projects again. And that's it. Open Capcut, head to Settings, go to Draft and Synced Items, and uncheck Projects. You now have full control over where your drafts live and when they're uploaded.